What does the rest of 2022 have in store for the NFT market? A decay in worldwide monetary circumstances has raised a ruckus around town market hard in the primary portion of 2022. In spite of unfortunate cost execution, NFTs have proceeded with their walk towards the standard as makers exploit new use cases. While some NFTs risk falling under US SEC domain, most are probably going to stay unregulated for a long time to come. The NFT market's ugly start to 2022. In many regards, conditions in the commercial center for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, has crumbled harshly. After week-by-week NFT exchanging volumes almost hit $1 billion August 2021 as per CryptoSlam information, week-after-week exchanging volumes have been reliably beneath $50 million since mid-May, the most obviously awful since mid-2021, before the principal significant blast in the NFT market. In the meantime, after the quantity of week-by-week NFT deals outperformed 1 million on a couple of events in 2021, as per CryptoSlam information, these numbers have likewise plummeted lately. Up until this point this week, there have been under 150,000 NFT deals, likewise at its most horrendously terrible level since mid-2021. The disintegration in economic situations as of late is clear while taking a gander at the new fall of the value floors of the most well-known NFT assortments. Take the widely popular Bored Ape Yacht Club, BOYC, NFT assortment, of 10,000 animation chimps. As of Sunday, the cost floor, for example, the least expensive BOYC NFT as of now available, was around $132,000, down from more than $400,000 as of late April and at its most terrible level since October 2021. In the meantime, the cost floor for one of the 10,000 CryptoPunk NFTs, one of the first to take advantage of the possibility of a web-based entertainment profile picture as a collectible computerized thing, was last around $74,000, its most reduced since mid-2021. Crumbling global economic/macro conditions largely to blame. The new lackluster showing of NFTs in crumbling in economic situations is obvious against the background of a continuous, as yet demolishing digital money bear market. Computerized resources, which are as yet seen by conventional financial backers as exceptionally theoretical/risk-touchy resources, have been getting destroyed in the midst of a crumbling of worldwide monetary circumstances in 2022, as well as a fixing of worldwide monetary circumstances. At the end of the day, expansion remains high as can be across a considerable lot of the world's significant economies, like the US, UK and Eurozone, and this is pushing significant national banks towards fixing money-related strategy, for example rate climbs. More tight monetary circumstances will generally hurt risk-touchy resources, like computerized resources, as overabundance liquidity is depleted from the framework and the open door cost of not being put resources into place of refuge government obligation resources rises, for example as security yields rise. Meanwhile, high as can be expansion, the flare-up of battle among Russia and Ukraine and late lockdowns in China in the midst of its continuous zero COVID-19 methodology are marking worldwide financial development. Many anticipate a downturn in major worldwide economies soon. NFT adoption set to continue as new use cases gain traction. The above could sound all pessimism. Furthermore, for the proprietors of NFTs from a portion of the business' most notable assortments, the standpoint at a tremendous cost bounce-back doesn't great search in that frame of mind of a significant improvement in worldwide macroeconomic circumstances. The equivalent can be said for all crypto holders. However, investigating the hood, industry patterns remain resoundingly sure, recommending the NFT market's drawn-out standpoint stays solid. Starting from the beginning of the year, most significant web-based entertainment organizations have started taking actions to carry NFT usefulness to their Goliath Web 2 client bases. Facebook and Instagram, both possessed by Meta platforms, are preparing highlights that would permit clients to show NFTs as their profile pictures and mint new NFTs in stage. Twitter has likewise disclosed another NFT profile picture confirmation include, while Linktree has incorporated different NFT highlights to permit clients to adapt their pages. Scores of organizations have sent off/declared plans to send off NFT commercial centers. While OpenSea stays the business chief, Sotheby's, Shopify and GameStop have all sent off NFT commercial centers. OpenSea and Coinbase both, in the interim, need to bring down the obstacle to NFT possession by empowering thereby through direct fiat installments, with MasterCard as of late reporting it is working with different Web3 organizations to give a comparative contribution. In the interim, Meta Platforms has declared that it believes that NFTs should be a vital piece of its youngster metaverse, with clients ready to mint and trade NFTs inside the stage. Somewhere else, famous people are queuing up to deliver NFT assortments that permit them a better approach to interface with fans. Celebs including Kanye West, Billie Eilish, David Beckham, the Notorious Bigs LLC and Chuck Norris have all petitioned for NFT brand name applications with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. Bella Hadid is purportedly set to before long drop her CYB3 LLA assortment of 1,111 NFTs, with authorities supposedly set to gain admittance to meet Hadid face-to-face in areas everywhere, among different advantages. NFT deals look set to turn into an omnipresent component of big-name/craftsman/maker relations with their fans. Also, NFTs are turning into an undeniably well-known way for non-benefit/altruistic associations to draw in with expected contributors and raise assets for their causes. Australia Zoo this year declared its Wildlife Warriors NFT project, with all returns from deals set to go towards subsidizing the zoo's preservation endeavors. In the meantime, the World Wildlife Foundation, WWF, has this year sent off its non-fungible animals task to fundraise for the protection of 10 creature species near the very edge of becoming wiped out. The WWF will deliver one NFT for every one of these close terminated creatures remembered to in any case be alive and had apparently currently raised almost $300,000 by early May. NFTs have additionally been utilized to raise assets for different causes like help for those impacted by Russia's attack of Ukraine. For instance, inside only a couple of days of the beginning of the conflict, the recently set up Ukraine DAO had raised upwards of $7 million in by means of NFT deals. Independently, NFTs are progressively getting momentum in the spot of tickets, participation passes, and utility tokens. For instance, take self-improvement master and well-known business visionary Gary Vaynerchuk and his VFriends NFT assortment. Possessing a VFriends NFT implies admittance to Gary V's different internet-based networks, for example, his Discord gathering, and his yearly NFT/Web3 centered meeting called VCon. Then again, take NFT Stage 1EOF's forthcoming arrival of its OnePass NFTs. Purchasers of the symbolic will later on be allowed early or restrictive admittance to various impending NFT drops on OneEOF's foundation. OnePass NFT holders will likewise get 4 free NFTs each year, in addition to additional selective giveaways. While 2022 hasn't precisely been an extended period of positive cost execution for NFTs, it has seen significant steps forward concerning the reception of NFTs and their connected innovation into the cultural standard. Anticipate that this pattern should go on into 2023 and then some. At the point when worldwide full-scale conditions turn positive, it would be at all amazing to see NFT costs bounce back fundamentally and, surprisingly, post new record highs. In the event that expansion starts to subside not long from now, giving national banks the space to ease strategy, this could be a story for 2022. If not, NFT bulls might need to hold on until 2023. However, inasmuch as industry patterns stay positive, many think the bounce back is more an issue of when not if. NFT regulatory scrutiny? Obviously, when NFTs adventure into the domain of ensuring the proprietor monetizable future advantages, they risk foraying into the region of becoming protections. Sources from inside the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, told Bloomberg prior in the year that U.S. administrative organization is quick to explore unlawful advanced symbolic offers and to see whether NFTs ought to be viewed as protections. The office has been bullying different NFT makers, commercial centers and crypto trades as of late with summons to gather data. Given the broadness of the NFT scene, certain bits of it could fall inside our purview, SEC Chief Hester Peirce said in a meeting with CoinDesk prior in the year. Individuals should contemplate potential spots where NFTs could run into the protections administrative system, she added. Penetrate is alluded to as the SEC's crypto mother by a larger number of people inside the Web3/crypto local area, inferable from her, normally, favorable to crypto position. In the event that the SEC was to consider a specific piece of the NFT market as falling under its administrative domain, which might in the present moment at some point limp development, a large portion of the NFT space appears protected, from guideline, until further notice. For instance, Senators Kirsten Gillibrand and Cynthia Lummis this week delivered an eagerly awaited charge that would mean to carry out expansive guidelines across the digital money space. The bill, which denotes the primary significant endeavor by any U.S.